Fendi First bag. For its take on the trend, Fendi opts for a pouch in a slouchy coin purse shape. In lieu of a traditional ball clasp, the bag features an F-shaped clasp closure. Being a brand new design, it is no surprise that the Fendi First pops up in a plethora of materials, colors and sizes. Some appear with a chain while others seem to be clutches. Firstly, the bag is based on the style of a classic women's clutch and comes with a detachable strap if you prefer to switch things up. Available in 3 sizes, small, medium and mini, the tone-on-tone design comes in a variety of finishes ranging from nappa leather to python skin to one with mink fur. Versions in shearling and wool will follow suit later in the year. The interpretation of the Fendi monogram comes in the form of a tilted metal F-shaped clasp with a press-button mechanism, bound in nappa leather. The F details are more obvious when one opens the bag and view the clasp from the top. IMS Fendi has also adorned some models with the house's signature double F jacquard, while others are given a smooth leather lining. If you're thinking of getting your hands on one, why not peruse the options below? First, medium Fendi First leather clutch. Medium Fendi First python skin clutch, price unavailable. Medium Fendi First leather clutch. Medium Fendi First wool clutch. Medium Fendi First shearling clutch. Medium Fendi First wool clutch. Small Fendi First leather clutch. Small Fendi First shearling clutch. Small Fendi First python skin clutch. Mini Fendi First shearling clutch.